It's that time again. Time for another low-carb cocktail. I'm Frank, the low-carb cocktail guy. Now, if you've seen one of my most recent videos, that one, how to make your own blue curacao. La-di-di-da, blue curacao. We're making a purple margarita. Purple margarita. This is one of my wife's favorite margaritas. She likes cranberry in her margarita, so we're gonna show you how to make a purple margarita. Oh, it's very easy. It's my basic margarita recipe or any traditional margarita recipe. Tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur. Now, there's a lot of them out there that uses agave. You're kind of getting away from the old school traditional one to what's called a Tommy's margarita. That'll use some agave syrup as a sweetener. But we're gonna be using our orange liqueur dyed blue curacao. And you take red and blue, it makes purple. Or so my wife teaches a preschool class. That's why she likes margaritas. So let's get started. In our small tin, we're gonna go with 2 ounces of tequila. This is Tapatio. This was a recommendation from the manager at Hocus Pocus. So if you're in Baton Rouge area, Gonzales, Prairieville, Ascension Parish, Baton Rouge Parish, Livingston, head on down to Hocus Pocus in Prairieville. They're not sponsoring this by any means, but it's my favorite liquor store. Those guys are so knowledgeable. And I went in there and I asked Alex, point me to a new tequila. So I showed him the ones that I enjoy. So he said, try this one. And it's a full liter. It's a full liter. Whereas everybody else is 750 milliliters, you know, a fifth. This is a full on liter. So, and for the price and what it is, man, this is really good. I want to say this is around 40 something bucks, but how much you're getting is well worth it. And it's a really tasty tequila. So we're gonna go with 2 ounces. Where the hell I put my jigger? Here it is. 2 ounces of our tequila. And the one thing I'm gonna say about tequila is watch your labels, what you're looking for. And if you watch my last video about measuring, get the meniscus. Squirrel. Look at your labels on your tequila. Make sure it says 100% de agave. If it doesn't, it's not 100% tequila. It's mixed with a grain alcohol somewhere along the way. So make sure you're looking for 100% de agave. That means it's 100% agave fruit, not mixed with any other grain alcohols. I know Tito's Especial and, not Tito's, Jose Cuervo Especial and Jose Cuervo Gold, those are not 100% de agave. It's why I don't drink those, because they're mixed with a grain alcohol. Side note, let's get started. Anyway, where am I at? So next, we're gonna go with 1 ounce of our blue curacao. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of that. One ounce of a diet cranberry juice. This is Ocean Spray Diet Cranberry. It's just a lot easier to handle in this than it is my big gallon jug. 1 ounce of that. Ooh, purple. And then some lime juice. Lime. Juicer. Don't have my juicer. Screw it. Real lime. One ounce of a lime juice. Now, if I felt like running to the kitchen and getting a juicer, I would have, but let's get to knock this out quick while I'm here. Add a little bit of ice in our shaker. Put all that together. Knocking shit all over the place. Let's give it a good shake. Again, if you watched my last video on Home Bartending 101, we'll talk about shaking. And remember, forward and back. Gets a nice broken ice pieces, gets a quick chill, quick dilution, and a nice aeration. All right. So it's nice and little foamy. That's all that air being all the air bubbles being created in there. So you give a really nice texture to your cocktail. And in a margarita glass, we're gonna add some ice. My wife likes hers on the rocks with no salt. So that's what we'll be doing today. On the rocks with no salt. Using a Hawthorne strainer. And there you go. The purple margarita. Well, at least I do have a knife and I can cut ourselves a little lime wheel. And there you have the purple margarita. Did I say that already? Probably so. I don't know. We're having a little bit of fun over here at the Low Carb Cocktail House today. Let's try this out. Man, delicious. Man, this Tapatio tequila is amazing. And if Alex is watching at Hocus Pocus, thank you for the tip on pointing this out to me. Good job on that. All right, guys, cheers. Man, that's good. All right, guys, I keep forgetting. I always forget this. First off, thank you for watching my videos. And if you're in a position to support me financially, I do have a Patreon account. The link will be in the description below where you can become one of my Patreon members. I have 3 different tiers. Or heck, if you just want to do a custom donation of just $1 a month, that would help me out as well. Y'all have a great day. If you can't tell, I'm already having one. See y'all later. Oh, this is delicious. Delicious.